folks, Norm the teacher here with another 3-minute introductory lesson on metalworking. Those of you that have been following me know about my pinion gear that I made for my lathe to fix it because the plastic one broke. Okay, I'm going to make some more of those for the practice and also just to have them on hand. Okay, here's what I start with. I start with a rod of aluminum like this that used to be pop cans. I melt down pop cans and I pour this into a mold. And this is the mold that I use right here. You know, this goes up here like this. And so this lifts off. And this portion of the mold here makes this area right here. Now here's one that it's been cut off. I used everything up, and this is going to go back into the melting pot because it's been used up. Now, when you cast aluminum, a lot of times you'll get imperfections like this, bubbles and potholes and all that. Okay, just don't worry about that. Just use whatever's usable and then throw the rest back into the melting pot. And so I'm going to be using this area here to make about 4 more pinion gears. I have one mounted in the lathe. Okay, first of all, what you want to do when you use something like this is you want to machine the area that's going to be held in the chuck, which is this area right here where my thumb is tapping. And that's in the machine right there right now. You want that to be a true circle because when you cast it, it's not going to be a true circle. Okay, then once you've machined that, and you start off machining that by having this end here in the chuck. Now this end is not going to be a perfect circle, but it will make a perfect circle here according to the axis rotation of the lathe. Then once that's a perfect circle, you turn it around, you put it in the chuck. This here goes into a hole further in the chuck, this thinner tube here. You put that in the chuck, and then you start machining down the stock to make your gears. And here I have enough to make 2 of those gears. I'm going to go further back, but I can make 2 of them right here. And as you can see, I've got the setup there. I just want to show that to you. And that's a little bit about using the lathe on, now this is a pilot hole that I've greased. And the tailstock is holding it steady. And so that's a little about using the lathe that I just fixed to make some more pinion gears for it.